All set now, ready to race. And the race on Aloha. China Girl down on the inside is the favorite. And this one is Jade Express. Jade Express, China Girl in the middle. Alongside is Aloha, St. Mark, Jupiter Thunder, Manila Magic, Dr. Choice racing in 7th position. While Winning Habit is running at the tail of the field by about 10 or 11 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Jade Express by a length and a half, followed by Aloha. China Girl racing in third by some 4 lengths. Jupiter Thunder, Manila Magic, Dr. Choice, and St. Mark. Rounding the far turn, Jade Express, this time by some 2 lengths now. Aloha is running in second. Jupiter Thunder, Dr. Choice as they race the final corner. Jade Express, the favorite, is still leading by a length and a half. Aloha is on the outside. Jupiter Thunder, St. Mark, and nearing the finish line, Jade Express, Aloha, Jupiter Thunder rushing up on the outside. Aloha, Jupiter Thunder, St. Mark in the middle, and finally it's going to be Jupiter Thunder. Close, St. Mark, Aloha, Manila Magic to fourth, and for your Fantavecta, Dr. Choice.